How to fix Amazon login problem 2026. So to fix an Amazon mobile login problem, the first thing what you can do is, if you are on Android device, go to your phone settings, find the apps and select Amazon, then open storage of Amazon and then tap clear cache. Now the next thing what you can do is go to the existing Amazon app on your device, then tap and hold on it. Now tap remove app from the menu. Now to confirm, tap delete app. Once deleted, go to your app store, find the Amazon app and then reinstall it from there. Now the next thing what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off to reset your connection. Now the next thing what you can do is turn your mobile device completely off and back on again to clear temporary system glitches. You can also double check that you are using the correct email or phone number with a country code linked to your profile. Now if two-step verification fails, try the alternate sign-in method by appending the received security code directly to the end of your password. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.